Hey guys, it's Michael Jillian, and here I have the Brinyte M18 copper mini keychain flashlight. Let's do a quick unbox and we'll talk about what we have inside. There we go. And inside you have a nice packaging for the flashlight. It's nicely tucked away in there so that way it stays safe. Take it out. We're going to need my crochet tool in order to get it out, and as you can see, it's pretty small. If you compare it to some of the other ones that are on the market, for example this one right here, you can see it's a nice amount smaller. So that's really nice because you're going to keep this in your pocket or in your purse, and it's going to take up less space because of that. You also have a keychain to put it onto a keychain of some kind, and you have a charging cable. Very small charging cable, very convenient, and as you can see, it's a micro USB. Let's take a look at the actual form factor of the device. It's made out of copper. It is less than 1 ounce. It's 0.78 ounces. So that's pretty nice. And it's impact resistant. If you drop it, it will most likely be able to handle the drop. On the back here is the spot for the keychain that you can put on. It's got a nice knurling here so that way you can grab it and turn it. Over here is the front of it. And the way you'll turn this flashlight on and off is by twisting it. And we're going to take a look at that soon. I really like the copper because, as you can see, this black flashlight over here is already losing its color. It's showing its age. But this one over here will continue to stay copper because it will not fade the same way. If we take a look at the front, over here you have 110 lumen LED over here, and that's the emitter. If you open it up all the way, you'll see it does have a rubber seal over here and provides water resistance. On the top you have where it connects to the top, and it will basically emit the light. Over here is the micro USB charging port. If you plug it in, you'll be able to charge your device. Let's test that out. When it's charging, it'll be red. When it's fully charged, it will be green. It has an IP68 water seal to keep it waterproof, which is pretty nice. Let's test it out. We're going to turn off my light over here, and we're going to test out the lights. So if you twist it like this, it will light up. Twist it more, it will light up even more. So that's pretty nice, and then you can always twist it back to turn it off. And that's really nice to have a really small flashlight like this on the go on your keychain. I am definitely going to add this to my keychain. I have now added the flashlight keychain to my caliper keychain, both handy dandy tools to have. So I'm here in front of my house and I just want to see my path. So if we turn it on a little bit, this is the first mode. Not at full 110 lumens, and as you can see, it's very clear. However, if I turn on the full mode, it is very clear, and that's really convenient to have. Once the flashlight is on, it actually stays in position pretty well. So once I turn it to turn on, it'll stay on pretty well. And as you can see, the throw is actually pretty nice. I'm getting pretty far. Now let's turn it on a little bit higher, and as you can see, it really does light up the area pretty nicely. So that's very nice to have on your keychain, something really small that's actually pretty powerful. And it's always also rechargeable, which makes it even more convenient. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for something to put on your keychain. Have a great day.